Good morning, guys. How are you? Now we are going to watch some interviews about different people expressing which sport they like and also why they can play it. And also, they are going to give reasons about why they play those sports. First, watch the video, listen, pay attention, and take notes if you need. Time expressions use it to us or to give preference, likes, and recommendations. Watch the video as many times as you need in order to understand. Here is a video which was on YouTube, but at least use the link and go to YouTube to watch it. Remember that you can watch the video as many times as you need. Have fun! We see you in the next class.